Hey guys, what's poppin'? Okay, I am here once again with another unboxing video. This time it is the Zobie Fright for this month for July. And this was the director's cut box that I ordered because they were they had already sold out of the standard ones. So, and I've heard a lot of good reviews on these boxes, and I really wanted to get it. This is my first time getting it, so I thought, why not? It was a little bit pricey, but I figured, what the hell, let me get it. Because a lot of people say it's worth it. So, and Zobie's pretty high rated. They're pretty high up there on boxes that people like. So, yeah, let's get into this. Let's see what we got here. So, if I like it, yeah, I'll probably get another one next month. I think the Fright boxes are like one every other month though. But they go pretty fast. These go like really fast. They're gone within like the first couple of days. The first 3 or 4 days, they're already sold out. So that's the only thing that sucks. That people don't get paid right away, and they gotta wait. Pretty much the shit's already sold out. So that's the only thing that sucks. They need to make more boxes. All right. Let's get into it and see what we got here. See what we got in here. Alright. 1 second. Let's see what we got here. Okay. And we got tissue paper. It's so pretty. Go figure. A Fright box, they put tissue paper that looks like blood, right? Alrighty. Let's see. Okay, we got a pen. Oh, this is cool. Okay. This is the uh, Evil Dead pin. I don't know if you guys can see that there. It's a glare on my computer screen. It says groovy. It's a pin. It's only 300 pins made. I don't know which number this one is. I don't want to open it. Okay. Let's see what else we got in here. Every little tiny thing is last. I got a thank you from the Zobie mascot, Dobie. That's kind of cool. Okay. Let's see what got the paper of what everything is, so I'll need that. And we got already. Both people signed this. It's there. Says artist showcase, bloody gorgeous, Heather Taylor and Mika Taylor. So this is from Bloody Gorgeous. That's a pretty cool photo. Yeah. I've seen the options they had for the other one, and actually this one, I'm glad I got this one. This was the cool one. So, that's pretty cool. Okay, then we got autographed. This is the from the people under the stairs. Um, sorry, the glare on my computer. It would have been cool if this was Roach. If you guys have seen the people under the stairs, the dude Roach, he was my favorite out of the people under the stairs. And this one was the other main guy that was one of the people under the stairs that also tried to help the girl out, and it was like I think one of the first people that walked outside at the end. It says here. Let's see. It doesn't say. Um, it might say on the paper of who the guy's name. I can't tell. Jan something. I don't know. But yeah, this is pretty cool. And that was a good movie. If y'all didn't see it, you should check it out. That's pretty cool. Okay, next we got. We got the replica of Jaws, the tooth of Jaws, and it has a thing on the bottom so you could like stand it up, and it's pretty sturdy. So yeah, this is kind of cool. I'm impressed by this, and it comes with the card. This is pretty cool. It has a good good weight to it. It has a little weight behind it. So, yeah, that is cool. Okay, then we have. This is the last item in the box. Knife again. Alright, looks like a knife. Yep, it is indeed a knife. And a real knife, mind you. Yep, this is a real knife. It says signed by Sarah Butler, who was the main the main star in all three of I Spit on Your Grave. And as the episodes got further along, when she got into like the second and third episodes, I mean, when it got to like the second and third movie, she got more crazy. So, but she was a kick ass bitch, man. I wouldn't mess with her. This is really cool. Definitely cool. This is a real knife. Very sturdy, strong, sharp. Um, but yeah, I think this is actually the highlight of the box. Right here. Completely awesome. And a really good movie. All three of them were really good. I mean, I wasn't too thrilled about the third one, because she kind of went wacko in the third one. She started killing people, like, for no reason. That didn't even do anything to her. So, yeah, she got messed up. Alright, now, let's see what this says. Okay, it said, yeah. These knives were hand-signed by Jennifer Hills. And I Spit on Your Grave, 2010, Sarah Butler. This autograph was authenticated by James Spence. Authentication includes sticker, hologram, and matching COA card. The 8x10 was Jan Birch, the guy from People Under the Stairs. And, yeah. And the Beauty and the Horror. Okay. Those were bloody gorgeous pictures of Friday the 13th, Part 2. And you got a choice of one or two of the pins from Evil Dead, designed by Corey Kaufman, and then one of two of the jaws. One had blood splatter and one didn't, which it would have been cool if I got the blood splatter, but it's still pretty cool. Well, yeah, this is actually cool. And Zobie, the 13 Part 2. They made Zobie look like Friday 13 Part 2. The mascot. So yeah, this was actually a pretty cool box. I think the autograph by Sarah Butler is what really, honestly, is what paid for this whole box, is the knife. So, yeah, this is really, I like the stuff that's in this box, and I think I will be making another purchase again. This is really cool. So, yeah. Alright, well, that was it for that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button anytime you want to be notified of a new video. Just hit that post notification bell down below. And until next time, laters.